Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is a ULA Hair review, and this is how the package came, guys. They sent it through FedEx, so I'm opening it now so you can see what's inside the package. Guys, I did this before. I used their hair before, and their hair is so freaking lovely. So this is the bag it came in. As you can see, ULA Hair labeled on it, and it's a satin material bag. So these are some stuff that came into it. The wig cap in this shade, guys, mostly for dark complexions. And also you have this card in there. I don't remember, I didn't read it, guys, but yeah, that's the front of the card. I think they have their barcode, yeah, the barcode there, and their Instagram and so forth. And you have this other card, the instruction card. So guys, this card tells you everything about the hair, the directions, how to use it, the do's and the don'ts, chemicals and tools to be used, what you can do like curl and all of that. So all information is on this card, and I really like that, guys. That's such a good idea to do that. And this rat tail comb came in. This is just a lot of stuff, guys, and this is so generous from ULA Hair to package so many stuff in the bag for you. I really like that. And oh my god, these lashes, I love them. These 3D lashes came into the bag, and trust me, these lashes are popping. So these are the bundles. They are 18-inch straight ear bundles, guys. 18-inch, and oh my god, it feels good. See, they tagged it. So under here, the bundle, you have the tag there with ULA Hair on it. And guys, oh my god, this hair feels so amazing. And you see, the thickness is almost to the end of the hair, guys. Most of the time I receive bundles, they are thick halfway and thin halfway down, but you can literally see that these bundles are very thick, going right down to the end. So guys, oh my god, this one has a little crease in it, but I guess it's from the packaging, but it doesn't matter. No shedding, no strands coming out. Trust me, it's such a quality bundle here, and I highly recommend these bundles, guys. ULA Hair on a whole, I recommend them because they have top quality hair. So I'm gonna get into the video. These are the products that I'll be using. These are my tiny scrunchies because I'll be doing a bob ponytail with maybe some pattern of a sort. I don't know, I don't like doing styles just simple like that. I like to have a little touch to it, so I'll be doing some little cute thing with it, guys. And guys, don't forget to check the description, guys, because I'll be putting links in the description on the site that you can order this hair, and also their Instagram page, Facebook page, and all of that will be in the description, guys. So you can just remember to check it out, and remember to order your hair, your bundles, your wigs, because trust me, they have good quality human hair, guys. On the other hand, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and never ever forget to turn on the post notification bell, because if you don't, you're gonna miss a lot of videos, guys, and I'll be posting a lot of hair tutorials, so ideas. You don't have to repeat the same style, because I'll be doing every kind of different style with different touch and all of that. And I'll be doing some hair treatment and so many stuff, guys. So I don't want you to leave the bell and don't turn on the bell and miss out on those awesome videos that are about to come. And remember to leave your comment, and remember to share the video also. Guys, I love doing hair so much. Styling hair, oh my god, it's my passion. If you come, guys, and sit in my salon, my styling chair, and you say, guess what, just do whatever you feel like to do. I'ma just slay you with a hairstyle. Sometimes when you come and you give me a style, if you allow me to choose your style on my own, you will get a nicer slay. Trust me. Guys, sometimes you would even know. Sometimes when I'm doing the hair, there's always ideas popping in and out of my head. Sometimes I start it this way and then I'm gonna end it another way. Not as planned, but it always turned out to be a bombing hairstyle. I don't know if I'm gonna retire from this soon, but I don't think so, because I checked so many times, and there is nothing else that I would rather do than to stay in the beauty field, styling hair, and I might do a little makeup or so on, and I can also do nails, but this is my thing. Styling the hair? Sometimes I work some magic, guys, but oh my god, I will never stop doing this until I grow old. Believe me, it's just a whole different vibe when you are creating a style and seeing the result. Oh my god. But guys, I'm gonna leave you so you can continue to watch and see what I'm doing, so you can try this hairstyle for yourself, and I'll be back at the end of the video, so enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm about to cut this. Look at the length, the quality. Oh my god, I didn't want to cut it. ULA Hair, why did you request me to do a bob ponytail with this nice human hair? I'm so hurt, guys. I almost literally cried. I attempted not to cut it so many times, but because they asked me to do a bob ponytail, I did. So guys, I'm just using my shear to give it a blunt cut, but the shear was taking too long, so I just I'll just use the scissors and then fine tune it with the shear. So I gave her the blunt cut so she can wear it as a blunt cut ponytail and also as a bob ponytail. Both of them are bob. One is blunt cut and one is not. But whichever way you take it, this is gonna be a blunt cut because I'm giving it that sharp cut at the end, guys. I really didn't want to cut this hair. I honestly didn't want to. But here I go. I did it. So I'm gonna flat iron now and give it a slight bend at the end to give it a bob look. And then you'll be seeing my finished look. Dang, so this is the finished look. See those baby hairs? Oh my god. Hair so sleek, ponytail neat. Oh gosh, this is looking really good. Guys, you see what I'm talking about? When you see the result of the hairstyle, it just, oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.